Figs are one of the oldest cultivated fruits in human history, but they're also one of the most underrated when it comes to nutrition and overall wellness. Sweet, soft, and naturally satisfying, figs deliver an impressive combination of fiber, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that support the body in multiple ways. If you've only thought of figs as a snack or something added to desserts, you may be surprised by how beneficial they can be for digestion, heart health, blood sugar balance, skin health, and even long-term aging support. One of the biggest health advantages of figs is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for healthy digestion because it helps move food through the digestive tract efficiently and supports regular bowel movements. Just a few figs can provide a meaningful amount of dietary fiber, especially dried figs, which are more concentrated. Many people struggle to get enough fiber in their daily diets, and this can lead to sluggish digestion, bloating, constipation, and even long-term gut issues. Figs offer a natural and gentle way to improve digestive health without relying on supplements or processed products. The fiber in figs also helps support beneficial gut bacteria. Your digestive system contains trillions of microorganisms that influence immunity, metabolism, and even mood. Foods rich in natural plant fiber act as fuel for healthy gut bacteria, helping create a balanced microbiome. A healthier gut environment is linked to better digestion, improved immune response, reduced inflammation, and stronger nutrient absorption. Another major benefit of figs is their impressive mineral content. Figs contain potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron, all of which are important for different functions in the body. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports proper muscle and nerve function. Many modern diets contain too much sodium and not enough potassium, which can contribute to high blood pressure and cardiovascular strain. Adding potassium-rich foods like figs may help support a healthier balance. Calcium and magnesium are especially important for bone strength. While dairy products are often associated with calcium, figs provide a plant-based source that can contribute to overall bone health. Magnesium works together with calcium to support muscle function, nerve signaling, and skeletal integrity. This combination makes figs a useful addition to diets focused on healthy aging and maintaining mobility over time. Figs are also naturally rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Over time, oxidative stress contributes to aging and is associated with many chronic diseases. The darker the fig, generally the higher the antioxidant content, especially in varieties with deep purple skin. These antioxidants may help protect cells from damage and support healthier skin, improved circulation, and better overall wellness. Heart health is another area where figs may provide meaningful support. The fiber in figs can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels by assisting the body in removing excess cholesterol from the digestive system. In addition, the potassium content may help support healthy blood pressure levels. Together, these effects create a combination that may contribute to better cardiovascular health over time when paired with a balanced lifestyle. Some research also suggests that figs may help support blood sugar management, despite their natural sweetness. Whole figs contain fiber that slows digestion and helps reduce rapid spikes in blood glucose. However, portion size matters, especially with dried figs, since drying concentrates natural sugars. Fresh figs tend to have a lower sugar concentration compared to dried varieties. When eaten in moderation alongside protein or healthy fats, figs can fit into many balanced eating plans. Figs may also benefit skin health from both the inside and outside. Their antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals help support healthy skin function, while hydration and nutrient intake contribute to skin elasticity and appearance. In some traditional practices, figs have even been used in homemade skincare treatments because of their natural enzymes and soothing properties. Energy support is another reason people enjoy figs. Because they contain natural sugars along with fiber and minerals, figs can provide a quick but more balanced source of energy compared to heavily processed snacks. Athletes and active individuals often include dried figs as a pre-workout or recovery snack because they are portable, naturally sweet, and nutrient-dense. An interesting bonus benefit of figs is how satisfying they can be. Their natural sweetness and chewy texture can help reduce cravings for highly processed desserts or sugary snacks. For people trying to improve eating habits, replacing ultra-processed sweets with whole foods like figs can be a simple but powerful change. Fresh figs and dried figs each offer unique advantages. Fresh figs are hydrating, lower in calories, and have a delicate flavor and texture. Dried figs are more concentrated in nutrients and fiber, but also higher in sugar and calories per serving. Both can be healthy choices depending on your goals and portion sizes. There are many easy ways to add figs into your routine. Fresh figs pair well with yogurt, oatmeal, salads, nuts, and cheese. Dried figs can be chopped into trail mix, blended into smoothies, or eaten on their own as a naturally sweet snack. They also work well in savory dishes, adding sweetness and texture to grain bowls or roasted vegetable meals. While figs are healthy for most people, moderation is important. Eating very large amounts, especially dried figs, may lead to digestive discomfort because of the high fiber content. People with certain medical conditions or dietary restrictions should also pay attention to how figs fit into their nutrition plans. Overall, figs are a nutrient-rich fruit with a long history and a surprisingly wide range of health benefits. From digestive support and heart health to antioxidants, minerals, and natural energy, figs offer much more than just sweetness. Including them regularly as part of a balanced diet can be a simple and enjoyable way to support overall wellness naturally.